Uria wari mucirithania munene ndagitari Willy Mutunga umuthi ni ekirire nganja wiguano uria wekiranirwo ni mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga.
I think that it's only when you look at these issues in a depersonalized manner that we see the danger, that we face.
Akiaria guku mucii wa Nairobi, Mutunga ni augite muingi wa bururi utigitwo ta ciana cia ngoria ikuona Raila ahanite ta mutongoria muru na thirikari-ini ya Jubilee, nauguo ndangihota gutetera muingi uria kwagiriire na wiguano ucio wahota gutuika muhinga haro-ini ya ungumania.
Raila has vacated, and somebody said it, has vacated the position of the people's leader of the opposition, a vacuum that must be filled urgently by an alternative progressive leadership that is indeed an authentic people's national position.
Leo Mutunga ni oritie atongoria mung'ethaniro matige kugonderera na meke mituki gwetha mutha kana Joshua uri kuyukia muthigi uri Raila aturite anyitiriire wa kuhuranira ihoto cia Wanjiku na uthii wa na mbere wa bururi.
And I have to warn everybody here that if that vacuum is not filled in, Raila will go back to it. He is, in my books, the most astute politicians I ever worked with.
Mutunga ni oritie ariothe mekunyitikana marite indo cia muingi matahikithio na oho akoria muingi utige gutetera aria maungumanitie na mithingi ya gikabira kuona megunaga okiumbe riria mabura indo cia bururi. Okahinda-ini ukau mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro bururi-ini wa Uganda Kizza Besigye uria uturaga ageragia kuhagura President Willy Mutunga kuma wathani-ini ni atugiritie wiguano wa Raila na President Kenyatta akiuga ni wagirithitio uthii wa na mbere wa bururi.
Because many things that have happened here have shown that the Kenyan people have the resolve, have the courage to stand up and say, no, we are not in favor, in spite of the frightening power that is arranged against them.
Besigye ni agathiririe wirutiri wa Kenya hari kwagirithia na guthingatithia mwathanire mwega. Atongoria ya mekwaragia hindi ya igongona ria kurugurio kwa ibuku riria riramurika mihinga iria gumeire gukinyanira kwa wagiriru wa ithurano guku bururi-ini.